In this focused PD, we'll take a peek into voice typing in Google Docs. One useful tool in Google Docs is voice typing. In order to use voice typing, you'll need to either open a new document in Google Docs, or you can open an existing one that you might want to edit. For this tutorial, I will use a new document. So we're going to first look at the tabs and click on the Tools tab. And then about halfway down, we'll see a little icon that looks like a microphone, and it says Voice Typing. That's what you want to select. Now, notice on my screen, the very first thing you see is the little microphone that pops up. You will not see that the first time that you access this option on your computer. The first time you access this option, a prompt will appear that asks for permission to access your microphone, and you'll have to give it permission to access your microphone. And then after that, every time you click on voice typing, this will come up immediately. One thing that I wanted to point out to you is that these little dots help us move this little friend around. And so if we want to move it over to this side or wherever, just whatever you're comfortable with. Also, there are lots and lots of languages that Google understands, and so it can interpret and dictate. As you dictate what you want it to say, it will type it for you in that language, as long as you have it selected. Okay, so in order for me to demonstrate what this does, I'll just start speaking after I click the microphone to turn the function on, and you'll see the words that I'm saying appear on the screen. Once I've clicked the microphone icon, you'll notice that the words that I'm speaking appear as text on the screen, period. I think that's pretty cool. Exclamation point. Don't you? Question mark. Did you notice how it pretty much did what I told it to, but there are a few things that I might need to go back and edit to make sure that all of my punctuations and capitalizations and all of that stuff is correct. And so that might be a good practice for you in the classroom for your students to go back and edit some of their writing that they've done actually with their voices. Period. New paragraph. One other thing that's really cool about this function is that you can select things with your voice, period. Watch, I'll demonstrate. Select all. Italics. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the function because I don't want it to make all of my text go away just yet. But did you notice that I said select all and it selected all, and then I said italics and it made everything that was in that selection italicized. So again, a very cool feature. The other thing that you can do is get rid of all of your text by just speaking to it. So I'll turn my mic back on, select all, delete. And there you go, bye-bye text. So anyways, there are lots of other things that this function does, and it's pretty cool. I would encourage you to play around with it and see what it does. You can also go to the Google Help page to see all of the different commands that it recognizes. Have fun.